This is Dr. Pratika B. Gonsalves, and I am going to present you a video on lockdown blues. While I know y'all missed me a lot, but this time I am going to show you many lovely things on the video what you can do and you can use it in your daily lives. Okay, so lockdown and coronavirus. The world is under lockdown due to pandemic coronavirus. There isn't any vaccine yet and it's supposed to be the most deadliest virus. The only option is to be at home. Everything around the world has come to a standstill. Life only surrounds its family sleeping and eating. And to add to it, there is work from home too. God, oh my God, oh my God. Are you feeling the mental health lows? Most of our mental health is gone for a toss. We are feeling caged, frustrated, anger, lonely, bored, insecure, sad, worried, fear. Many of us nowadays are wondering what's wrong with me. Am I going through stress or am I going through depression? Well, let's not go into details, but stress has two types. One is acute stress, is mostly due to life events. Chronic stress is built up over the years. Mostly people around the world are having acute stress, and you can see this has gone into increase during the lockdown. Depression, common man is suddenly feeling that he's going to depression. The feelings of depression should be for 6 months, but the feeling you're having due to lockdown is not depression. But if you don't get a hold of yourself, you might soon go into fear leads to stress. Yes, I am right. As many of us don't know this, but the fear originates from negative thoughts which lead to fear and worry, and then it goes to stress. Stress, if not treated, over time can lead to mental health disorders. Everything is in our control when things are related to self. Let's find out some awesome ways to enjoy lockdown. Yes, we can enjoy lockdown. Let's look what are the ways. To learn new skills, there is no age bar. You can learn it at any time. And now you have ample of time to learn new skills such as dance, learning musical instruments, art, gardening, etc. To study, what can I study at this age now? Well, there is no age limit to study. You all were the same one who said, right? There's so much of work to do. Life is so hectic. I wanted to study that. I wanted to study this. Now is the time. You can do it. because there are many online courses there. During lockdown, you can do it and you can fulfill your dream to study that course. Do you remember? Before the lockdown, what did you say? That I don't have time to cook. I am so tired. Life has become so fast. I know lots of recipes, but I can't make it. Where is the time? Where it looks like God has heard you. He has given you ample time to cook your delicious recipes. You can do this by looking at the online recipe or by using your old customs and cultures, the authentic food and cooking and giving it to your family. So try doing that. It will help. Hey, you tech savvy generation. What are you brooding over not meeting people? You can do it, right? Virtually, through cyber. This has become so easy, it's not like old times anymore. The social distancing we have to maintain. Do you recollect what you said before the lockdown? I am so health conscious. You need to be physically fit. You have to do a lot of exercise. You have to be active. What happened after lockdown? Did lockdown say that you don't have to be active? Did it say that you don't have to be physically fit? No, it didn't. So what is stopping you from doing it at home? Do it. Doodling nowadays has become my favorite. Well, don't you doodle? Don't lie, huh? Behind your notebooks when you would go to colleges, schools and all, you would draw and make all flames and X and zero and all those stuff and flowers and leaves and all when the teacher would explain. So that is only doodling, na? So you don't have to be an artist to do that. You can still do that now. Well, that will be very helpful because it will be a big stress buster from all the negativity that is going around you. Wow, puzzles! That is the best thing in the world. I love solving puzzles until now. Puzzles just make me happy. I can solve it very fast though. But the Sudoku, I can't really understand. But I am trying to work on it. I want to be good in that too. Why not? I can upgrade my skills. You see? Sure. We all have board games in our houses, but they're just lying at just one corner because you don't have time to play them. Come on, get out from your mobile games and play some real games of board games like, chess, Snake and ladders, ludos, checkers. Wow, they are fun to play with. And it's really, refreshing. I would suggest. Oh my god, I miss so many movies of my favorite actor and so many lovely stories which were made. It is all because of this hectic schedule. This is what you always said, right? But now you have so much of time and you're not using it to see all those movies. What a shame. Try, you can see them online. Go and check them out. You have missed so much. Also, you can hear a lot of music. Wow, music is really beautiful. Try listening to instrumental music. It will help you a lot. Are you gone crazy? You want me to read books? Books? I have never read books in my life. Well, we were never in a lockdown before too. But we are, right? Reading books is not a punishment. It is something which can enhance your vocabulary. Also, who told you to read fiction books? Read non-fiction. Read motivational books. Learn something from it. And also, it is being told that even though we can't travel, but books help us travel through their stories. Try doing that. You will learn so many good things about it. Try. Finally, I want to say that what are you cribbing for? Just think that before the lockdown, that was season 1 of your life, and after the lockdown will be the season 2 of your life. I don't want to be boring. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be boring on my season 2. I want to be interesting with upgraded knowledge, upgraded skills, and I want to be better than the others. And forget about others. I want to be better than myself. I want to be the best. And I will do all the hard work in my lockdown period to make my season 2 the best season ever. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, then like, share and comment. And if any queries, you can always email me. Thank you.